What's up, fellow pyros? This is 5150 Pyrotechnics coming at you with another demo video. Tonight, I have a 200 gram 16 shot firework by Flashing Fireworks called Gizmo. And here is the QR code. Let me focus. There you go. You can watch the demo. And I'm going to read the description here. So the performance says, first row, straight up brocade crown with white strobe. Second row, 2 shots, V-shape, silver wave, tiger tail. Third row, brocade crown with sky blue. Fourth row, 2 shots, V-shape, silver wave, tiger tail. Fifth row, all together red, green with chrysanthemum. So this is kind of a kitchen sink 200 gram cake. And then this is what the top looks like. So you can see straight up, V pattern, straight up, V pattern, straight up. Okay, so let's go ahead, set this thing off. I'm gonna go ahead and tear down, expose the fuse. There it is. Okay. Put it right there. Snug this up. Okay. All right. Here we go. Gizmo, Flashing Fireworks, 200 gram, 16 shot. Here we go. Wow, that was gorgeous. I will definitely be getting that one again. All right, this is 5150 Pyrotechnics signing off. Go get yourself one of these.